driving desire for me in agriculture is the fact that it's really diverse. Agriculture in the United States, we produce the food, fiber, fuel, and pharmaceuticals for the world. So we basically provide life. I cannot think of a single student that couldn't find a niche somewhere in agriculture. You know, the university has a farm, so the students get hands-on field application of everything that they learn in the classroom, and almost every single one of our classes has a lab component to it, and those labs then give us an opportunity to give students that exposure. And then we have an equine program where students don't have to own their own horse if they want to learn how to ride a horse. The university actually provides horses for them. The thing that kept me or has brought me to Southern Utah University is the ecosystems. I can load students up in a van and we can go in 45 minutes, we can be on the Mojave Desert, or I can take them up to 11,000 feet elevation. So we can see all the different plants and vegetation in those ecosystems from a desert to alpine. And so that's really intriguing to me, and that's really exciting. And my students seem to really like that aspect, that it's all field oriented. We're out in the field studying plants in their system. We have work study positions where students can actually get hired onto the farm crew. We usually keep 4 or 5 students around to help feed the livestock. We have a range club and we have an agriculture club, which is part of the actual farm bureau. Everything they learn in the classroom, plus the club activities, plus the stuff out at the farm, all gets them inspired. If you're going to study in a BIS degree in agriculture, you're going to be exposed to a huge, diverse, broad breadth of topics, everything from soil science to animal science, to crop science, to economics, to ag business, to all those, marketing and all that. So an animal scientist could go on to get a graduate degree in animal science, study ruminant nutrition, something along those lines. Somebody that's going to do the crop science can go into IFA, work at the local IFA, do the agronomic type of things, or they can go to seed companies or fertilizer companies, those kinds of things, and sell retail products that way. And then we have the range science, natural resources, where they could get into public land management, public land agencies that give them an opportunity to get employment in those areas. So there's a tremendous broad field of opportunities in agriculture. They are leaving our program here qualified for those jobs.